we're making strawberry milkshakes. We just got these from the garden, and there were so many. So, subscribe to our channel.
Making a strawberry milkshake with vanilla ice cream, right?
Yeah.
Step 1, strawberry.
Put the sugar in them.
One.
Oh, yeah, no, stop. I'm gonna use. Stop. Don't put the one. Now, milk. We blend it up. Step 1, we blend it up.
Ready? Here we go. You want to hit the button? Cover your ears. Put your cup down. Who wants the strawberry milkshake?
Me.
Okay. Ooh. How is it?
Super good.
Want to taste it too?
Is it what it looks
Oh,
like?
wow.
That's yummy.
It's very strawberry. Don't you think?
I'll say some after we drink all this one, we'll have more.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.